Welcome to Smoky Mountain Taco. Today we're going to be talking about wheel security with McGard Security Wheel Locks. If you have aftermarket wheels on your vehicle, especially Tacomas, they can get stolen. That's why getting this is very important. Don't let this happen to you.
There's a new crime trend targeting a specific type of truck. Reviewers saw two Toyota Tacomas with their wheels missing.
Jack Mandequit knew something was wrong on his Sunday drive through Waipio.
I saw two Toyota Tacomas and all the wheels are missing.
My neighbor has texted me and mentioned if I took off my tires, and I told him no. She said you better go check. It was exactly like this truck. It was on bricks with all the tires missing.
Misuzawa says the theft set him back about $4,000.
Now you can go down to your local auto parts store and just pick up the wheel locks. I decided to go with a full wheel installation kit from McGard because I wanted the lug nuts to match the locking lug nut. And these look great. Now you can go to McGard.com and get a backup set of keys for your wheel locks. They also offer wheel locks and the full kit like I've got. One thing I saw on here is that if you wanted to get a complete other set of wheel locks for another car, you could do that and use the same key. All you have to do is come here and order it. Now installation is pretty easy. All you have to do is remove your old lug nuts and put the new ones on. It comes with a socket key, and I have to say the lug nuts are extremely high quality. Comes with a bag, the order form, and the data code that you need in case you need to get extra keys. I've already placed in my bag here. You can get extra keys at mcgard.com/key, and you can get a second one 50% off with this promo code of BOGO50. And it looks like you can get a handy dandy wheel lock key zipper pouch. It's a little better than that one, but that's what it is. So we're going to get these installed. We're going to see how it works. So special note here, it is not recommended to use an impact wrench. Use of an impact wrench can result in uneven or over tightening of fasteners, which could damage wheels or distort brake rotors. Okay, so we're going to use this opportunity to rotate our tires as well. So let's get this jacked up. I'm going to take the old lugs off with a 21mm impact socket. All right, let's get these wheels off. So we're going to take these off with the impact wrench. We're going to use wheel dollies, and we're just going to move them around. You have some details on these wheel dollies to rotate tires, make it super easy and save your back. Video down in the description below. Essentially, you can just roll these around, just switch them out, and this definitely saves your back. No doubt about it. Here's the first one, and I have the key on the end of this 13/16 socket just lined up right there. Let's lift this up. There we go. Let's tighten this up. Then we'll do the others and we'll torque it up. So this is just the regular lug nuts that the kit came with. We'll just hand tighten them, and then we'll take the 3/16 socket and just tighten them up, and then we'll torque them to spec. What do you think about these wheel locks? I'd love to hear what you've got to say about it. Let me know down in the comments below. Thanks for joining me in this video. If you like this video, consider subscribing, sharing, liking, and hitting that notification bell. And be sure to check my next video. I think you'll like it. We'll see you next time.